Fashion is all about trying things out and seeing what works for you and what doesn't. So today I'm bringing you 10 fashion rules to break. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sandy. Today I'm back with 10 fashion rules plus size women need to break. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for new videos if you're not already subscribed. I greatly appreciate it. The first fashion rule to break is always wearing all black. Yes, black is slimming, but you shouldn't fill your whole closet with just black clothing. Go for bright colours, celebrate your size. If you really don't want to go for all bright colours, then try a little combination of maybe wearing dark at the bottom and then a bright top. Just experiment and let yourself shine. The second rule to break is always wearing loose fitting clothes. Tight wearing clothes can be unflattering, but wearing loose fitting clothes is a rule that we should be breaking. Loose clothes often sit at the widest part of our body and can actually add volume. Try wearing clothes that fits you right and just skims your body. Just accentuate your best assets. The third rule to break is never wearing horizontal stripes. We shouldn't be scared to embrace horizontal stripes. Yes, horizontal stripes can make some people look wider. It's all about how you wear it. You can try a horizontal stripe with a solid colour, but you can try wearing vertical stripes. They will give the illusion of a thinner body. A fourth rule to break is that plus size women can't wear bold colours. I have no idea who actually made up this rule, but there's always been a rule that plus size women, especially if you are pear-shaped and heavy at the bottom, that you shouldn't wear bold colours. Who cares? It's all about finding the right fit and making sure that the clothes you're wearing just fits you right. The fifth rule to break is always wearing shapewear. Now, I'm not gonna lie, shapewear does help you and it smooths everything out, but it shouldn't be something that you feel that you need every single day. So this is definitely a rule to break. Save shapewear for when you really need it, but it shouldn't be something that you feel you have to wear daily just because you're plus size. The sixth rule is staying away from wearing skinny jeans. Who said that unless you are a size 0 that you can't wear skinny jeans? Who said that? Who actually made up that rule? This is definitely one of the rules to break. Skinny jeans are made for all different sizes. It's all about trying it out and finding the right fit for you. I actually have a video coming up where I'm going to be trying out a lot of different skinny jeans, so be sure to be on the lookout for that video. The seventh rule to break is hiding your body under baggy clothes. Who says that you can't rock a mini dress if you want to, or you can't rock shorts, or you can't rock a skirt? It's all about how confident you feel. Don't feel the need to hide your body under baggy clothes. Accentuate your curves instead and bring out your best assets. It's all about rocking it with confidence. The eighth rule that we should be breaking, that plus size women should not go sleeveless, that we shouldn't show off our arms. There's nothing wrong with showing off your arms. If you want to wear a sleeveless dress, go ahead. If you want to wear a boob tube, go ahead. You do whatever it is that you want to do. Don't feel the need just because you're plus size to hide your arms. The ninth rule that we should be breaking is that we shouldn't be mixing prints and patterns. Again, who makes up these rules? You can rock whatever you want to rock as long as you rock it with confidence. Whether something makes you bigger or not, it doesn't matter. Don't be afraid to try things out. Fashion is all about trying things out and seeing what works for you and what doesn't. The 10th rule that I think we should break is that plus size women shouldn't even bother with sexy lingerie. Who says that? We're plus size, we embrace our curves, we find ourselves sexy, and there's nothing wrong with wearing sexy lingerie and making yourself feel good. I like to think of it this way: there is always someone out there for everyone. Some people find plus size women very sexy, so shouldn't be afraid to embrace sexy lingerie. So that's it guys, those were my 10 fashion rules us plus size women should be breaking. If you have your own rules that you think I've missed, then please comment them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos. I make a lot of lifestyle, fashion and sometimes beauty videos as well, and I upload every single Sunday, so be sure to subscribe for new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below any fashion mistakes that you think I've missed, and also if you're new and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Bye.